This is a special call meeting of the Knox County Fiscal Court, December the 12th, 2011 at 6 p.m. It came to us, it was certified in 242.020, the petition for the election, says that no signer may withdraw his name or have it taken from the petition after the petition has been filed. If the name of any person has been placed on the petition for election without his authority, he must appear before the county judge executive before the election is ordered, and upon proof that his name was placed on the petition without his authority, his name may be eliminated by an order of the judge executive. That being said, number 2 is there any persons that wish to provide proof that his or her name was placed on the petition for local option election without his or her authority? Does anybody here wish to do that? If not, we'll move on to number 3, which is as required by KRS 242.020, subsection 5, which states, after a petition for election has been filed, the county judge executive shall make an order in the order book of the court directing that the election be held in that territory. So tonight is not an option of whether it can go on the ballot, it shall go on the ballot now that this is done. And it states that the county judge shall order election in the order book, and they have asked that the election to be held on February the 7th. So therefore, the motion is to allow the county judge executive, J.M. Hall, to enter entry order directing pursuant to the statute the question, are you in favor of the sale of alcoholic beverage in Barberville, Kentucky? That's what will be placed on the ballot. Before we vote, this is not a vote of whether it can go on or not. This is an acknowledgement that we have got the petition. It does meet the requirements. We have given ample time for anyone to look over to make sure that they want to say that their name was put on without authority. And then number 3 is it requires the judge executive shall make an order in the order book directing.
Is that a sit down drink or is that a package?
It does not say. All it says, the petition says, and I do have a copy of it right here, the petition that is filed to allow the sale of alcohol beverage in Barberville, Kentucky, is presented to the county clerk on December the 6th. A verified copy, duplicate copy also presented to the office of the county judge executive. And that is what it states is, are you to allow the sale of alcoholic beverage in Barberville, Kentucky? It doesn't say restaurants, it doesn't say moist, it does not say, it doesn't specify anything. It just, I could have signed the order the other day. It wouldn't give anybody time to actually come before the county judge to say that their name was put on the ballot without their authority. Actually had this public meeting to allow the public to know what's going on.
Yeah.
And to acknowledge that we have received it.
The legislature that the city's gonna have to deal with. This don't make no sense to me.
I can't answer that. I don't know.
Does anybody
Regulated?
have an answer for that?
That's a true statement.
True statement is what,
I
Charlie?
mean, we actually have to pay for the election. John's he's got things he has to do, and nobody from the city's here. We've got one attorney here, and I don't know that anybody in here's for, other than maybe the attorney. Maybe
It's
he's
probably
just
going to cost the
representing.
county, me and the clerk was discussing this in the hallway, it's probably going to cost the county between $5,000 and $6,000 for this election.
If it was up to us, we'd done been out of here. We wouldn't be having no vote on no alcohol.
It's a sad day for our community. In Corbin, we received, I understand the county received a petition for one in Corbin as well. And a community that would say we want to protect our children by cutting out smoke and would increase the flow of alcohol in their community. There's got to be something wrong with the reasoning. We're getting ready in this community to change this from the danger is there. I hope we don't do it. to change this from a promoting family-friendly community to possibly making this a saloon town. And that is just crazy. It is not clear thinking.
I don't know if it will be bars, I don't know if it will be package stores, I don't know if it will be restaurants, it doesn't specify that.
Well, the danger is open there, and from what we're hearing, some people, after the fact, and after a vote, can change and increase it, like they did in Corbin with the arena. And that's, there's some things that are very wrong in this whole issue. We already have a super drug problem. You add alcohol on top of that, you created even more lethal cocktails in the lives of people. And I just hope that we will wake up and realize the danger that is facing this community and stand up to that.